Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best phone stands in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 14. Lysen Height Adjustable Phone Stand. Sitting down all day is definitely not the best thing for your health. Sometimes it's good to stand up during the workday and stretch your legs. If you work from a standing desk or tabletop, make sure you get the Lysen Height Adjustable Phone Stand. This stand allows you to raise your phone height up to 8.5 inches. There are also multiple angles of adjustability to prevent neck strain. A sturdy base keeps your stand in place and even has room for you to store some small items. Number 13. Pop socket. If you're wanting your phone to always have a phone stand readily available, then a pop socket is your answer. Pop sockets stick right to the back of your phone and can easily pop out and prop your phone up whenever you need it to. Once you're done, you can push it back in and fit it easily in your pocket, backpack, or bag. It's also great for getting a better grip on your phone, especially if your phone is a larger size. Plus, you can count on it working for any phone. Number 12. Sourceton Desktop Stand Mount Holder. Available in a pack of 8 pieces, the Sourceton phone holder is pocket-sized and portable. The high-quality plastic stand is strong and durable and foldable with a flat and compact design. Easy to adjust, the Sourceton stand can be used to hold devices horizontally or vertically. With a width slot of 0.39 inches, the stand is universally compatible with tablets and phones with a screen size ranging from 3.5 inches to 8 inches. Number 11. Horumpt Cell Phone Stand for Desk. The Horumpt Desk Stand is adjustable to heights between 5.9 inches and 7.87 inches and at angles between 0 to 45 degrees, providing universal compatibility. The sturdy stand has a weighted base and ergonomic design that lets you use the phone comfortably, relieving any strain on the neck and shoulders. The phone placement hook is 0.51 inches wide. With high-quality anti-slip and anti-scratch rubber paddings under the base of the stand and inside the hooks, the Horumpt Cell Phone Stand is detachable for easy portability. Number 10. Yini Desktop Cell Phone Stand Holder. The Yini phone stand is universally compatible and can hold tablets, phones, and e-readers sizes between 4 inches and 10 inches. The package comes in a pack of 6 multicolored Yini holders. The mini portable stand, made of strong and sturdy ABS material, has anti-slip silicone pads to protect your device from scratches and slips. With degree markings and separate grooves on the base, the stand can be adjusted to angles of your convenience. The stand can hold your device in landscape or portrait mode with equal stability. It can be kept at different spots and used as a cell phone charging stand as well. Number 9. Tobioneer Cell Phone Stand Holder. The cell phone holder from Tobioneer is 4 mm thick yet lightweight. It has a simple design with smooth edges and holds phones measuring between 4 inches and 8 inches. Silicone cushions are provided on the placement hooks and bottom to save the phone from sliding or scratches. Protected with a UV layer, the body of the stand is silky smooth and scratch-proof. Widely compatible, the Tobioneer stand can comfortably hold devices horizontally and vertically. Number 8. Lamicall Gooseneck Tablet Phone Holder Stand. Lamicall Gooseneck offers a cell phone stand for comfortable viewing with extraordinary features. It comes with a flexible, long gooseneck arm that can be twisted and has a rotation angle of 360 degrees. The lightweight holder can be securely clamped almost anywhere, from bed frames to kitchen counters or even in your car. The anti-slip silicone pads protect your furniture from potential scratches, and its rubber-covered clamp lends a safe grip and support to your phone. The universally compatible stand can hold devices measuring 4 to 6.5 inches. Number 7. Craydream Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. The Craydream mobile phone stand is adjustable to multiple angles up to 270 degrees. The stand's hooks are wider than other stands and can hold devices with a thickness of up to 0.55 inches, horizontally or vertically. The holder's hooks and base are lined with rubber pads to protect your device from scratches and slips and keep it steady. The stand can be placed conveniently on a stable surface in the kitchen, workplace, or desk to let you stream shows or participate in video calls. The charging slot is conveniently placed so it can be charged while in use. Number 6. Leeson Phone and Tablet Stand. Specially designed for tabletop use, the Leeson Phone and Tablet Stand has a sturdy aluminum body and a strong base that gives it stability. This stand has universal compatibility with devices up to 10 inches and can be rotated 360. The ergonomic design allows the height to be adjusted between 7.1 inches and 8.5 inches and angle adjustability between 5 degrees and 85 degrees. This eases the pressure off the neck, back, and shoulders. The stand's back and base are provided with anti-slip and anti-scratch silicone paddings to keep the device safe. The charging hole is placed conveniently to enable charging while you're watching a video or making a call. Need more information? Watch this video to make an informed decision about the product. Number 5. Nulaxi A4 Foldable Tablet and Smartphone Stand. The Nulaxi tablet and cell phone stand is easy to carry around, as it comes with a fully collapsible phone cradle. It is universally compatible and can hold devices measuring 4 to 10 inches. The stand can be adjusted to any angle up to 270 degrees for comfortable viewing. The sturdy aluminum alloy body and silicone anti-slip pads on the bottom and placement hooks keep the phone steady and safe from scratches. The hook width can hold devices up to 0.74 inches and easily be used along with the phone case, holding up your device horizontally or vertically. Nulaxi A4 stand is a great hands-free accessory to watch videos or make video calls. Here's a review video to help you get a better understanding of the product. Number 4. Lamicall Gooseneck. The Lamicall Gooseneck mounts to almost any edge via an adjustable clamp. You can clamp it to the side of your desk, nightstand, kitchen counter, or any number of places. We imagine this model to be most useful for people who want to film themselves while working with their hands. Whether you're shooting time-lapses of art being made or cooking techniques, this stand gives you the height and adjustability to easily get top-down angles of you at work. It's easy to get your phone in and out of the stand's phone clamp, and the edge clamp ensures that even if you give your desk a hard bump, your device won't fall over. We didn't like that if you're working at a desk that backs up to a wall, you can't place the Lamicall Gooseneck directly in front of you. It also takes some serious muscle to bend and twist the neck of this device to get your angle dialed. That being said, it is highly adjustable and can be contorted to almost any angle. This model isn't great for typing or working on your phone. The gooseneck is pretty bouncy, and our testers found that phones will do some serious wiggling as you tap on them. All in all, this stand is ideal for people who want to film themselves from creative angles. Number 3. Ugreen Portable. The Ugreen Portable is simple, light, and compact. It's just 2 pieces of plastic joined by an increment, friction hinge. As you open the hinge further, you get a lower angle view. This is the lightest and most compact stand we tested. The contact points are rubberized for stability, and for the minimalist digital nomad, the Ugreen slides virtually unnoticed into a mobile office. There is no way to adjust for height, and if you want to connect a power cord or headphones to your phone, you will be relegated to landscape view. The vertical view requires a clean, unused short bottom edge of your phone. We had no issues with the construction of the Ugreen, but it feels a little flimsy. Number 2. Lamicall Adjustable Foldable. The Lamicall Adjustable Foldable impressed us with its compact profile, rubberized base and backing, and range of adjustability. This versatile model easily holds either a phone or a tablet and is our go-to for travel due to its simplicity and foldable design. It's also super easy to use with headphones or while charging your phone. The trade-off for being compact and adjustable angle-wise is that it lacks height adjustability. The Lamicall doesn't give much height off the desk, which isn't a problem in most situations. After testing a wide variety of cell phone stands, we found that angle adjustability is much more important than height adjustment options. Number 1. Ometon Adjustable. The Ometon Adjustable is our favorite model. We love this stand's aesthetics and user-friendly design. Despite its small footprint, it is big enough to stand out on a cluttered desk. Unlike many other options we tested, this one can also undoubtedly hold a tablet of any size without risking toppling over and creating more of a mess. The aluminum, stiff-hinged adjustment mechanism stays in place but can be adjusted quickly and easily. The stand works great for one-handed use, as its silicone base plants it securely on your desktop. If you are trying to minimize or reduce the number and size of objects on your desk, you may not appreciate the size of the Omaton. This stand is not foldable and isn't the easiest to store. Besides the fact that it is larger than some of the other products in this review, the Omaton is a top-notch product and it's our #1 recommendation.